How to disable EAC Eden Ring. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to give you some of the steps that you need to follow in order to disable EAC in Eden Ring manually. So in order to do it, you need to first launch the Steam library, and then you just have to go to Steam apps, and then here you will be able to see the option of Elden Ring, and then you just have to tap on game. Then you need to rename start underscore protected underscore game.exe to something else. Let's say I added underscore original to the end of the file name. Then make a copy of eldenring.exe. Then you need to rename this newly made copy to start underscore protected underscore game.exe. Then you need to run the game through Steam as you normally do. Elden Ring should display a notice that offline mode has been activated, so you should now be able to enjoy the game without the EAC running, but you won't be able to participate in online play. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.